Hi, it's Argus Green, and today I'm showing you this nice 2018 set which was produced to commemorate the 10th anniversary of the Dark Knight movie, one of the greatest superhero movies of all time. So, this set includes one minifigure, which is actually Heath Ledger's version of the Joker from the Tumblr set, from 2014 Tumblr set. You can imagine that it was a bummer for all those who thought that this Joker would stay rare and you know, hard to find. But Lego sometimes is pretty unexpected, so they just throw it in this tiny set. What can be said about the build? It's money. You basically pay real money for Lego money. Is it a good deal? You decide. So this is a pile of money. This is a pile of money actually Joker stole from the mafia, or as he puts it, his half. And his money is destined to be burned. Why? Or like the people who made a decision to produce this set, Joker doesn't have to have a good reason for doing that. He just wants to watch, he just wants to watch the world burn. For companies like Lego or Warner Brothers, the world is represented by money. It's all coming together, isn't it? Okay, and there is only one special feature in this set. You can remove this particular brick of money and replace it with some fire, which is also included in the set. These two flames, you put it there, so it seems like it's on fire. And Joker is just standing here contemplating the view. So the fire rises. Oh, sorry, it's from another movie. Anyway, thanks for watching this review. If you liked this video, I'd be glad if you click the like button and subscribe to my channel for more stuff like that. All hail Lego!